Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to link Patreon to Discord. So to do this process, you could just simply go ahead and go to Patreon. So from here, make sure to sign in into your account in the Patreon. And now, as you can see from here of the homepage of Patreon, you would just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for the more option at the top right corner over here. Now, over here, you will have an option connected apps. So go ahead and select this one, and from here, as you can see, you will have an option Discord. So this will give access Discord roles from your creators. Click on it, and you will have here connect. So go ahead and select connect. And from here, it will prompt you to sign in into your account. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and select authorize in order for you to connect your Patreon and Discord. And from here, we have successfully done it, and we have now connected the Patreon to Discord. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.